হে হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আশা করছি সবাই ভালো আছেন। আজকে আমি আপনাদেরকে দেখাবো সৌদি আরবে সেফটি মিটিং এর যে অফিস এবং যেখানে সেফটি মিটিং হয়। আমার সামনে দেখতে পারতেছেন যে দুইটা কোস্টার দাঁড়ায় আছে। এটা মূলত এমপ্লয়ীদেরকে কাজের সাইডে নিয়ে যায় এবং নিয়ে আসে। আজকে সেফটি মিটিং এর বিষয়টা আপনাদেরকে উল্লেখ করে রাখি। আজকে মূলত আমরা স্ক্যাফোল্ডিং নিয়ে কথা বলবো। তো আজকের ওয়েদারটা যদি আমি আপনাদেরকে বলি, প্রচন্ড বাইরে বাতাস হচ্ছিল, আমার মুখ চোখ দেখে বুঝতে পারতেছিলাম। আর আমার সামনে দেখতে পারতেছেন এটা হচ্ছে সেফটি অফিস। তো গাইস চলেন আজকে তাহলে ভিডিওটা স্টার্ট করি।
Gentlemen, is scaffolding. So what is scaffolding? It is simply as definition. I will give you the most simple so that we can understand. Any elevated working platform wants to elevate it. This is from OSHA and GI. 1.8 meters. That is working at heights, okay? But even the scaffolding is 1.5, as long as it is elevated and used for working people, that is already. Also for the man lift, that is a mobile elevated working platform. So that is also an scaffolding. Okay, clear the definition of scaffolding? Okay, we will go from the OSHA, 88%. Okay, 88% was having at least of working at height and including scaffolding. Scaffolding is low because you know falling of personnel. I don't know how you understand. Falling of personnel is like this, which are down. Okay, when any of you, even I will include the operator, if you use scaffolding, driver, you from the civil, when we are coming here, if you fell down and you are fell straight, you are safe. But what if you fell or fall vertical? Vertical, you will fall like this. When you die, most of accident that we encountered, even when we are working in Qatar from the US base, too much confidence of this worker, they have accident of scaffolding. Be aware when you are working with scaffolding. If you fell vertical, meaning you fell like this or you fall like this, you have to accident. But if you fall stand, even 3 meters, but if you fall stand, it's okay. But if you fell, your head is the first, sure. You will go home in a freezer box. You got the point? They will freezer you in Saudi. Only you must. So take care. Gentlemen, is that when you are erecting scaffolding, any simple scaffolding, this burn mind is one. Be careful. When you are giving the ledger, second lift, be careful. Because if you don't careful, what happens? Struck by. Okay? When you struck by, that's the materials, it's a problem. Okay? Another one, when the scaffolding is up, there is a fallen debris. If that will be fallen debris, according to it will multiply 9.6 when it fell down, the heaviness. Okay, so we will be subject for on the ground hazard. Okay, on the ground hazard, even from the site clearance, site preparation of the scaffolding, erection, dismantling, alteration, is when you go and walk, that is tripping hazard. Okay? When you go backward, also, that is tripping and slipping hazard. So, be careful. Solution, make it good housekeeping. Make it good cable management. Make arrange of materials. Make your safety monitor you. Make your PTW ensure your safety minimum requirements in your area. Ensure your supervisor will give you at least safety talk. You get the point? Okay, one last thing, part of this training. So I would like to implement you that be careful. Be careful of working in scaffolding because scaffolding is dangerous. Okay? Scaffolding is dangerous. Check first by racking before you go up. Check what is the tag. If the tag is red, no go. If the tag is yellow, go, but you need cold body harness. If the green is the scaffolding, go up and you are more safer. Okay? That is our safety training for today. I will turn over to Mr. Ruben.
Our training topic is waste management. Reduce, reuse, recycle, refuse, and repurpose. Okay? So let us begin with objectives.
Objectives. Increase awareness, educate about the importance of waste reduction and the environmental impact of excessive consumption and waste generation. In daily activities, such as reducing waste, reusing items, recycling materials, refusing unnecessary products, and repurposing items. Enhance knowledge, provide information on various waste reduction techniques and technologies that can help minimize environmental impact. Foster responsibility, instill a sense of responsibility and stewardship related to waste management.
मकासद बेदारी में इजाफा करें, फजला में कमी की अहमियत और ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल और फजला पैदा करने के माहौलियाती असरात के बारे में तालीम दें। पायदार तरीकों को फ़रोग़ दें, रोज़मर्रा की सरगर्मियों में पायदार तरीकों को अपनाने की हौसला अफजाई करें, जैसे फजला को कम करना, अशिया को दोबारा इस्तेमाल करना।
हमारा वर्दी फाड़ दिया है।
Hey,